Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between emerald mountains and babbling brooks, there lived a young student named Sam. Sam was known for many things, but academic prowess was not one of them. Despite countless hours spent hunched over books and notebooks, success in the classroom remained elusive. Frustrated and disheartened, Sam decided to seek guidance from an unlikely source, a wise Zen master who lived atop a mist-covered hill. The journey to the Zen master's abode was an adventure in itself. Sam traversed through dense forests, crossed bubbling streams, and climbed steep inclines, all in pursuit of a solution to the academic challenges that weighed heavily on the mind. The air grew still as Sam approached the summit, and there, in a serene garden surrounded by cherry blossoms, sat the Zen master. With a long white beard that seemed to dance in the gentle breeze, the Zen master welcomed Sam with a knowing smile. "Greetings, young one. What brings you to seek wisdom on this quiet hilltop?" the master inquired. With a heavy heart, Sam explained the struggles faced in the pursuit of knowledge. "I've tried everything, yet success in my studies remains distant. I heard that you hold the key to unlocking hidden potentials. Can you guide me on the path to academic excellence?" The Zen master nodded thoughtfully. "Sit, my child. Before we embark on this journey, let us understand the nature of the challenge you face. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let your mind become as calm as the surface of a tranquil pond." Sam followed the master's instructions, settling into a cross-legged position. The rustling leaves and distant calls of birds created a symphony of nature as Sam breathed deeply, letting go of the worries that had burdened the soul. "Now," the Zen master spoke softly, "tell me, what is the sound of one hand clapping?" Perplexed, Sam opened their eyes and looked at the master. "I don't understand. How can there be a sound with just one hand?" The master chuckled. "It is a question without a straightforward answer, much like the challenges you face in your studies. Sometimes the solution lies not in seeking, but in understanding the nature of the problem. Let us explore the depths of your mind and uncover the obstacles that hinder your academic journey." And so the Zen master became a guide, leading Sam through the labyrinth of thoughts and emotions. Through quiet contemplation and introspection, Sam began to unravel the layers of self-doubt, fear, and expectations that had formed a dense fog around the mind. The master, with gentle yet probing questions, encouraged Sam to confront these obstacles and acknowledge their existence. As weeks passed, Sam's visits to the misty hilltop became a routine. The garden transformed into a sanctuary of self-discovery, and the master's guidance became a compass for navigating the complex landscape of the mind. It wasn't about mastering subjects, but understanding the essence of learning. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the hill, the Zen master handed Sam a small, tattered book. In the pages of this ancient text, you will find the wisdom of those who sought knowledge not as a destination, but as a journey. Read, reflect, and let the words guide you. The book, titled The Art of Learning, held within its yellowed pages the stories of scholars, philosophers, and seekers who had transcended the limitations of conventional education. It spoke of the interconnectedness of knowledge, the importance of curiosity, and the beauty of embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. Inspired by the profound teachings, Sam approached studies with a renewed perspective. Instead of viewing subjects as hurdles to overcome, they became gateways to understanding the world. The once daunting equations and historical dates transformed into stories waiting to be explored, and every page turned was a step toward enlightenment. As exams approached, a calm confidence replaced the previous anxiety. Sam approached each question with a mindful presence, drawing upon the wisdom gained from the misty hilltop. Success, once perceived as a distant summit, became a natural outcome of the learning journey. The day the results were announced, the village gathered to witness the transformation. Sam's name echoed through the air, not as a proclamation of academic achievement alone, but as a testament to the power of self-discovery and the guidance of a wise master. In the shadow of the mist-covered hill, the Zen master smiled, knowing that the true lesson had been learned, that the pursuit of knowledge is not a sprint, but a timeless dance, a journey guided by the rhythm of curiosity and the melody of understanding. Sam, now a beacon of inspiration for fellow students, continued to visit the hilltop. The journey of learning was infinite, and the misty hill became a symbol of the endless possibilities that lay beyond the horizon of textbooks and exams. And so the story of Sam and the Zen master reminds us that the path to academic success is not always paved with formulas and equations, but with self-discovery, resilience, and a deep appreciation for the art of learning. The misty hill remains, inviting seekers to embark on their own journey, to uncover the wisdom that lies within and beyond the pages of books. Thanks for watching.